Adding a good thumbnail is vital for your video success to increase click and attractive attention. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I will share how to create a good thumbnail on Canva. Let's dive in. Go to Google, type in the search area Canva. Before you create a design, think where you will use, on Facebook or YouTube or others. Then click on Create a Design. In the search area, you can write YouTube thumbnail or Facebook, any others. Then click on YouTube thumbnail. I will show you now how to make a YouTube thumbnail. Some pictures you may not be able to use if you are not using Canva Pro. So please watch carefully. I will show you how to make a thumbnail. After finishing creating a thumbnail, click on Share. You can choose file type, JPEG or PNG or PDF. Then click on Save. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.